EagleRidge Roofing, Draper's trusted roofing experts. EagleRidge Roofing, a trusted name in Draper, Utah, proudly serves the 84020 and 84090 zip codes with exceptional residential and commercial roofing services. With over 2 decades of expertise, we are committed to delivering durable and long-lasting roofing solutions using premium materials and rigorous quality control measures. At EagleRidge, we understand Draper's unique environment and building codes, ensuring customized solutions for all your roofing needs. For residential properties, we specialize in new roof installations, roof repairs, maintenance, and replacements, along with roof inspections and storm damage repairs. Our team also provides services such as gutter installation and repair, ice and water shield installation, soffits and fascia work, and shake shingle sealing and treatment. For commercial properties, EagleRidge offers comprehensive solutions, including commercial roof installation and replacement, the EagleRidge Peak Protection Plan for preventative maintenance, and flat roof repair and installation. We also specialize in metal roofing systems, TPO, EPDM, and other membrane roofing systems, as well as roof coatings to extend the roof's lifespan. Our services extend to soffits and fascia work, siding installation and maintenance, ventilation solutions, swamp cooler installations and removal, and commercial-grade sealing and caulking. EagleRidge Roofing stands out for our commitment to quality. We source premium materials, employ skilled craftsmen, and adhere to stringent quality standards, ensuring your roof exceeds industry expectations. Our local expertise in Draper guarantees roofing solutions tailored to the area's climate, building codes, and unique requirements. Discover why EagleRidge Roofing is Draper's go-to choice for comprehensive roofing solutions. Call us today at 801-784-1457 and experience peace of mind with Utah's premier roofing and construction experts.